Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl, Meal Prep Chef Tay. I'm here to give you some pointers on how to grow longer, stronger locks. I get a lot of questions about how long I've been growing my hair, what products do I use, and how often do I retwist my hair. So I'm just going to answer a few basic questions. I've been growing my hair for about 4.5 years now. My daily routine includes my custom-made moisturizer, that combination of 3 ingredients that I figured out that works for my hair. Now, every lock, everybody's hair is different, texture is different, so I can't promise you any results, but what I can tell you is me switching over to these basic ingredients as opposed to all these products that are recommended on here what to use. Like, I'm not going to name them out because I don't want to downgrade to anybody else, but at the end of the day, the simpler it is, the better. It goes along with your diet. The simpler you keep it, the better results you're going to get. So let's get right into it. Oh, make sure you click on the subscribe channel because I do Groupon reviews. I also going to do some more hair tip reviews on how to maintain your locks and also what products to use outside the ones I already use, or ones that I've tried before that didn't work, or the ones that I did try before that I feel like would work on other people's hair but it just didn't go well with my hair. So I've been growing my locks for about 4.5 years, and I started here. And my hair type, I have really soft hair and it's really fine, so it gets frizzy really fast. Right now I'm on my 6 weeks of my retwist. It was previously in twist and I took them out for Valentine's Day, so now they're a little bit crinkly, but the crinkles are starting to go. But here you go, that is about my hair length there. So I have a concoction that I've made that's been working for me, and my hair, I've seen significant shine in it. My dandruff have decreased significantly, and my hair just feel moisturized throughout the day. I live in Washington DC, so it is kind of a humid place during the summertime, but in the wintertime it can be very dry. So either season, it works for me. So the first ingredient, well, I'm going to show you what I put in first. So this is a 4-ounce bottle, spritz bottle, that I got from my local beauty supply store. So as you can see, there are clearly 2 major components in here. One's oil and one's water. And if you look a little bit closely, you can see there are 3 layers. So there are 3 products that I do put in here. So I'm going to tell you what they are. 4-ounce bottle. So what I first do is open the bottle up. Really, right? So I put in rose water. I love rose water. It smells so good. Like, even like if you've been like 3 weeks, 4 weeks without washing your hair, if you want a quick deodorizer, just spritz some of this on your hair. It has like such a floral scent. I love flowers. So this right here, on top of it not just smelling great, it is a great hydrant for your hair. So if you feel like it's a little dry, it retains moisture, it brings out the shine in your hair, and also it's a good deodorizer, like I said before, and it's an antibacterial, so it'll help cut down on some of the dandruff that you may have in your hair. So that was the primary reason why I selected rose water as my base. Another product that I put inside of the bottle would be vitamin E oil. Now I'm gonna tell you why I use vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil promotes shine and strength, on top of the other properties that it offers. You can research it. I'm not going to go into depth about it because it's supposed to be a really quick video. So I put this in here, but this is my carrier oil. And what a carrier oil is, it basically helps you dilute an essential oil, because essential oils are very concentrated. So you do not want to put them in your hair, straighten your hair. It can have some really nasty effects. So I chose this to be my carrier oil because of the benefits, and also it works very well with my hair. Next is the very popular, and it's another flower. I love it. Lavender oil. Lavender oil smells so amazing. With the rose water and the vitamin E, these two go together like peanut butter and jelly. I'm trying to tell you, like, if you want to see some shine and growth in your hair, that's take out, because I do this, take out the rose water. Mix these two together, put it in your hair, massage. It is a great hair massage. On top of the calming factors that lavender oil has, it just keeps you balanced all day. Like, I'm just cool all day. I smell great. I don't even gotta put perfume on. That's how good I smell. So but I didn't know, I just wanted to share that with you. So basically my daily routine is I take this bottle, I put 2 ounces of rose water in here, 1 ounce of vitamin E oil, and about 10 drops of the lavender oil. I shake it up. And the key here is to getting locks that aren't so weighed down or look oily or flat and so heavy on your head. Do not put the product on your locks. You need to put the product in your hair, on your scalp. Couple of reasons why. When you put the product on your locks, it's not really doing anything for your scalp. It's just putting all the product down here. It gets trapped, it gets built. Your scalp, you have to think of it like as, you see your strand of hair. So this is the nutrient ground right here. It's gonna go from your follicles here. You wanna feed the follicles for the rest of the hair. Putting it down here, it's not gonna do anything for it, but make it greasy, heavy, and make you feel like you have heavy locks. So by putting it up there, you're really reaching the roots, you're massaging, you get into the point of your hair where you really wanna focus on to promote that growth that you want, to promote that thickness that you want, and also to promote that shine that you want. So you wanna, that's the reason why you put it on your scalp. On top of the fact, it's not gonna weigh your hair down. That's the most common mistake that most people that have locks have. They put the product on their locks. Me putting my product down here, what is that gonna do for my scalp? It's still dry. It's not gonna travel from here to here. I need to travel from here to here. And that's another thing. You have to think about the geometry of things. When you put oil or water on your hair, where does it go? Down. When you put it down here, it don't go up. I'm just saying, you know, I just have to put that disclaimer out there. So that's why you want to put it up there. You want to massage it in, put like a lock stocking cap on there. That's what I have here. My little cap here, my little beanie. Lock condom is like what I like to call it. But anyways, I put that on there, leave it overnight, take it off, wake up the next morning. I'll spray my hair once before I go to bed, all over, massage it in. Then I wake up in the morning, do the same thing, go about my day. My hair is never dry. I don't feel like I need oil in my hair. It's so relaxing. It doesn't itch. I've been looking for a solution because I have really bad like dandruff. Not just dandruff, but my hair just gets so dry because I was using the wrong things on my hair. Previously, I was using this great oil, and it's amazing. I paid a lot of money for it. I love this oil. I have nothing against this product. This was my favorite, but what I found was it was making my hair very heavy, and my hair, like I said, is very fine. So when I put it in there, it just feel like my locks felt so heavy. So when I stopped using it 3 months ago and I switched over, and I did quite a bit of research. Like, you can use any kind of essential oil that works best for you, but lavender oil just seems to work the best for me. Also peppermint oil, I do use that interchangeably, but I prefer to use the lavender oil. So that's my review. I'll have many more reviews coming up like this, products that you use or you should not use, Groupons that you should use or you should not use, and also just recipes for a healthy lifestyle. Like I said, my name is Chef Tay, and you can click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Thank you.